Good morning, Lakeland.
I'm Lydia.
And I'm Mr. Rolando.
And we will be your anchors for today. Hey Lakeland, final exams are coming up next week. Remember to ask your teachers about study guides and work to help you prepare. The exams are January 17th, 18th, and 19th. Each day will be a half day with the day ending around 10:30 a.m.
The 17th will be first and fourth hours, the 18th will be second and fifth hours, and the 19th will be third and sixth hours. Don't forget, there's only one school day left until exams. We got this, Lakeland.
Here are some study tips for exams coming up. Don't procrastinate, take care of yourself, experiment with studying, take breaks, and always remember that you are a person first and then a student. Lakeland students, please watch for cars when you're walking in the student parking lot in the morning. We don't want anyone getting injured walking into the school in the morning. Also, be careful driving in the snow. Thank you.
Lakeland leadership has decided on a homecoming date for fall 2024. The game will be Friday, September 27th when your Eagles take on Walled Lake Western, and the dance will be Saturday, September 28th. We hope to see you all there next fall.
Attention all students. Did you check out a book during 2023? If so, it is due back to the Media Center to return or renew as soon as possible. Overdue books notice will be going out after exams. If you didn't check out a book in 2023, resolve to read more in 2024. We have lots of great and new books on our shelves waiting for you.
This year's spring musical will be Disney's Descendants. Auditions will be held January 24th through the 26th. Look for more information regarding audition information later this week on the Lakeland Theater Google Classroom. Let's all get rotten to the core. Attention students, Grand Canyon University is changing its Discover GCU trip to now allowing admissible students. To be eligible for the trip to GCU, you must meet the admissions requirements. The next trip is planned for January 26th to the 28th. If you're interested, you should sign up as soon as possible. See Mrs. Jeanette in the Career Center for more information.
More with Ms. Jeanette. The Army Career Talk will be here on the 31st. Scan the QR code outside of her office as soon as possible to get signed up. Seniors, Community Choice Credit Union is giving away $100,000 to 25 students who give back to their community. Visit the website on your screen now for more information.
Well, here's the semester's last Doc Joke of the Week with Dr. Carlson. Take it away, Doc.
How do social turtles communicate with each other? Snappy chat. How do social turtles communicate with each other? Snappy chat. How do social turtles communicate with each other?
How?
Snappy chat.
That's good. That's good.
How do social turtles communicate with each other? Snappy chat. How do social turtles communicate with each other?
How?
Snappy chat.
Speaking of it being the end of the semester, everyone is wondering when semester schedules will be coming out. The amazing counseling department here at Lakeland will put out schedules today at 4 p.m. Be on the lookout. And now for sports. Wednesday night, our hockey team defeated Milford by the score of 7-1. Nate Dell got the team off to an early lead less than 2 minutes into the game with assists from Joey Sessi and Adam Trzynski, and the scoring never stopped from there. Great game and great win, Lakeland. The team is home again for senior night this Saturday at Lakeland Ice Arena when they take on South Lyon. Good luck, Lakeland Hockey.
The Lakeland girls basketball team went on the road to South Lyon East on Tuesday night and came home with a huge win, 36-31. Bryn Talercio had an outstanding game on the court and on defense, playing her best game since being at Lakeland. The team is now 3-0 on the LVC season and 7-1 overall. Their next game is tonight against Milford at Milford. Go out and support both the girls and boys basketball teams.
Remember that you can find all of the latest athletic information out on the Lakeland Athletics Facebook page and on X. You can watch many of the games live online through the NFHS network.
Don't forget, we always post our episodes of Good Morning Lakeland on the LHS website and YouTube. You can also look for the links to the Good Morning Lakeland Instagram at LHS_GML.
Remember to check out the Lakeland Podcast, the podcast that brings you all the best that Lakeland has to offer, along with some fun, original flair. You can look for the Lakeland High School Podcast on Spotify and in your email each week. This week's podcast is about mental health, featuring the amazing duo, Miss Grabo, our social worker, and Miss Goby, our psychologist. Attention students, the annual MLK Day Walk is this Sunday with setup and entry at 12:30 p.m. and the walk at 1 p.m. The MLK Day Meal Drive is Monday from 5 to 8 p.m. at the Shack in Milford. Please see Mr. Perry for more information.
Well, it's time for Anchor shout-outs. First up is me. My shout-out is to anyone who's done Good Morning Lakeland this year, specifically the hostess with the mostest here, Lydia, and any staff member or student or anybody who's been a host on Good Morning Lakeland this first semester. We really appreciate it. Thanks for getting out of your comfort zone and coming on the show a little bit. So,
Because nobody wants to see me by myself.
Well, yeah, that's true.
And I'd like to shout out Mr. Orlando and Jacob Simmons, who's been helping out with every single episode of Good Morning Lakeland behind the scenes.
Behind the scenes, Jake, you're a man.
Well, Lakeland, this is the last episode of Good Morning Lakeland for this semester. We have enjoyed coming into your classrooms and Chromebooks this semester and look forward to doing it again next semester through the advanced video class. See you in a few weeks once we get the new semester off the ground.
Thank you for watching Good Morning Lakeland. Happy end of the semester.